If you are using the morphological parser, you should see some suggested or predicted analyses. These suggested analyses reveal what your lexicon and grammar currently allow for this word. If a suggested analysis is wrong, like this one is, then it tells us that the grammar rules in the grammar area and lexicon need tightening up. The parser is just the engine. The correctness of its results is entirely dependent on the contents of your grammar and lexicon. This parser analysis of fastest is incorrect. It has been allowed by the grammar and lexicon because of two omissions. First, I haven't adequately controlled the verb tense suffixes. A verb in English can't take two tense suffixes. Secondly, I haven't adequately constrained the allomorphs with environments. To deal with the first problem, we need to make an inflectional template for tense. To do this, we go to the grammar area. In Category Edit, we select Verb and then use Insert, Affix Template. In this case, the template name could be something like Basic Verb. Then we click on Stem and use the blue context menu to insert a slot after Stem, since I'm dealing with suffixes. The top box is empty because no slots have been defined yet for verbs. I need to add an optional slot because in English it's possible for a verb to occur without one of the tense suffixes. The slot is added to the table and I can type the name. We use the blue context menu next to the slot name to select Add inflectional affixes to tense. This then lists the suffixes in the project. Since this project is really quite small, there aren't many listed. These are the two that I need to add to this slot. We're now ready to go back to the Text and Words area. The two verb suffixes in our bad analysis have now had the tense slot marked, so it's time to rerun the parser and see if this incorrect analysis is no longer produced by the grammar and lexicon. I'm going to use the option Parse Current Word. It may take a few seconds for the view to update. The parser shows us that the invalid analysis is now not allowed by the grammar and lexicon. This is because the new inflectional template for verb now rules out that particular combination of suffixes.